Good morning. It's Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. This is the hashtag. This is every Thursday. And the point of putting these together is to build a fairy garden community. I have found it very difficult. I've been doing fairy gardens for 9 years, so I have hundreds of fairy garden videos up and out there. But they have not done well, so I have decided, since I couldn't find the fairy garden community, I decided to try to make my own. Try to get all of you interested in trying to put a fairy garden up once or twice a month. You don't have to join in every week. Whenever you can do it is fine. You don't have to do it out in the garden. You could do one in a cozy corner. You could do one on a table. We don't care where you put a little display up. And they don't even have to be fairies. Today I'm going to do a little miniature garden and make a little bunny village. So you don't even have to have fairies, even though it says Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. We just want to get everyone interested in doing miniature gardens, getting out and doing something, putting little fairy things together, putting something together just for fun, and that's all. Well, this one I put together a couple of weeks ago and I shared how I put it together from the beginning to the end. Sometimes I do that and sometimes I don't. And I move my things around, and everything you see in this video I think was free. I reuse, repurpose constantly in everything I do. We can't afford to buy everything brand new every post, or we would go broke. And that's another thing. I like sharing that also. So let's go check out my co-hostess and check out my bunny village. Well, good morning to all of my awesome friends. You know what time it is. It's Thursday. It's Fairy Garden Thursday. And here is my awesome friend that joins in every week. And she is building the most beautiful, beautiful fairy garden you have ever seen. And she is so crafty, and she does so many great displays. And you're going to love her channel. Go check it out. And here you can see she does Tidy Tuesday, getting that house clean and organized. She does all kinds of arrangements, and on her front gate, she always decorates it for the seasons. Doesn't she do a beautiful job? She is so creative. And this is last week's Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. Part 1, and this is going to be one house and a tree. And as you can see, she's got the wood rounds, and she's building a beautiful display. She is the best. Go check this creator out if you love fairy gardens. And let's see what my other co-hostess does. Growing on Vancouver Island is a great channel, and oh, she does great work, and she is very busy, so some weeks she doesn't get her fairy gardens up, but I know what that's like. I hadn't put a fairy garden up in quite a few weeks. My husband was in the hospital, and I am today trying to get back on track to put one fairy garden up back every Thursday. We'll see if I can do it. But let's get back to my co-hostess growing on Vancouver Island. She's a nurse, very busy too, so sometimes she doesn't get them up either. That's okay. She's still my butt. But she does do also a lot of gardening videos, and I put her in as my co-hostess for gardening tour Saturdays also. I've been watching her channel for about a year or so, and she does a great job in her garden and gives you great ideas. Go check her out. And here is one of her fairy gardens she put together. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. If you haven't seen this already, go watch it. You're going to love it. A great video. Do I love watching her videos. She always is so creative.